Delaware, Vice Guy.
Hey, how you doing?
What's up, man?
Good storm, baby. And then I'll let you go. First of all, everybody wants to I'm a big Jets fan. I watched them last year. The guys play. There's no reason the Eagles shouldn't have them.
Michigan State and my team, and you know your buddies, a lot of those guys on the basketball team, is in the national championship game. Yeah, I might rearrange my schedule to go to the national championship game. You can say everything you want about, handle your business right in front of you, but damn, if you got a chance to go see a national championship game and see your best friend playing in it, watch the game. I got no issue with that. Again, maybe I don't know the circumstances, but I'm just telling you, I don't have a problem with a guy going to a national championship.
Yeah, I remember reading that report back then. I think Andy Reid should let it go. I've been saying that. But
I leave a half hour early.
He doesn't play up to his strengths anyway. Michael 6 foot.
Playing follow the car right in front of you.
None of them guys are big guys.
And it's dangerous.
One
Probably
pass, Joe, for Deshaun Jackson in the red zone last year. That's staggering how low that number is.
I go.
Yeah.
Wow.
We'll see this year. I've been took 43 years of losing with these guys.
Well, you're 43 years old?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, they've been at it even longer. They're working on 52 years now, man.
Yeah, I'm saying my first.
Everybody can tell when you said that quote, I go where I want to go.
All right, yeah, have a good
afternoon, man. All right.
Look at all these
Jason
pieces of
Martinez
crap
will be
on
up
the side of the road being scared,
at the
afraid
top
of
the
little
hour.
rain.
And
you can't drive in the rain.
and obviously there's a lot to, and I know we'll be talking about
I go where I want to go.
Let's just one more time, Steve. One more time, I want to hear that.
Oh, look at
that
these
key
clowns.
when I asked him why it hasn't happened. Just one more time, everyone digest this answer. And I know Jason will be talking about it at the top of the hour. One more time. You've had an interest. You've expressed it before.
And now here's Ollie Williams with the Blackie weather forecast. Ollie?
It's gonna rain!